Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reconnect your Hue Bridge to a new Wi-Fi network in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Hue Bridge is connected to your router using the Ethernet cable. The bridge doesn't connect to the Wi-Fi directly. It uses a wired connection. Now in the step 2, you just have to basically connect your phone to the new Wi-Fi network that you want your Hue system to use. This is important for the setup to work. Now after doing this, you just have to simply open the Hue application and it will automatically search for your bridge. If it doesn't find it, you can just simply go to the settings of the Philips Hue app. Then in the settings, look for the option of bridges. Afterwards, look for the option of add bridges, and then you can basically add the network. Then when the app detects your bridge, simply press the big button on top of your Hue bridge, and this is going to allow the app to connect and sync. Once it is connected, you can try turning the lights on and off from the app, and if everything works, your setup is complete. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.